What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Absolutely gorgeous day here. Also got an absolutely gorgeous 1955 Chevrolet Belair, two-door hardtop in stock. This is a real VC VIN code Belair. Got the 265 V8 with the C stands for Belair. So real Belair, not a 210 trimmed up. Got the factory hubcaps, thin white wall tires coming on all four corners. You see we got the windows down here. Drip rails, or should I say the rain guards, working perfectly. See that nice tight fit along there. Gaskets look great. Fit up of the stainless along all parts of the windows and body look awesome. You can see beautiful reflections in the paint here. See these reflections like that, real smooth. Coming down the side, same with the trim. Gaps look awesome. Doors open and close perfectly. You see real clean. Coming down the side, rocker. And the doors do have fender skirts for it in the trunk, so they're there. You see nice fit up on here, just nice and tight. Perfect alignment there. So, love that. Tail lights look great. Got the bumper guards front and rear, as well as the Belair emblem on the dual exhaust trim. Tailpipe trim there. No fading right there. That's a common spot for that. Quarter panels look beautiful. Don't see any bubbles in that anywhere. Belair, beautiful trim. Like you said, rain guards, perfect look open there. It needs to be glued on. So we got the smaller steering wheel, 15-inch steering wheel, gives you a little more room than the 17-inch, and it does have power steering, so effortless to turn. Also, let's talk about that ice cold AC. You got vintage air conditioning, vent in the center, and on the side. Dash looks beautiful, no fading anywhere. There's beautiful condition on that. Same with the dash there. Chrome's not pitted anywhere, super clean. The knobs are great. Got the original VIN plate. Door panels look amazing. Got nice soft trim here. Not trim, weather strip. So let's fire this up and see how she sounds. Easy on.
Going forward, I love it.
Radio
Hey, coming up,
works.
did you know, according to the
Dash painted really nice. Headliner's nice and tight. Got the Belair bows on there. Only came on the Belair package. Courtesy lights come on and off. When you open the door, no smoke, no knocking. Nice little low grumble there, like that. Like I said, we got vintage air, we got power steer, 265 motor, got electric fan up there. It's a cold start right now, so it probably comes on around 180 degrees. Power steer, full bath air cleaner, real clean. Motor idling just nice. So we can go for a little cruise here. Lots of other classy classics in stock. If you're up on our website, drivethecoast.com, you can see all that. Really smooth car. Always want to do these test drive videos, walk around, so you're fully informed about what you're buying. out, so just want to be fully transparent. This is a great car.